Hello everyone, my name is Hussein, and in this video we'll be showcasing Smart, our group-developed e-commerce website created as part of our Web Fundamental final assignment. Smart is a medical and healthcare-focused online store designed to give users easy and reliable access to essential medical supplies through a clean, professional, and responsive interface. The main goal of this project was to apply core web development principles using only HTML, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript, while simulating the functionality of a real-world e-commerce platform. We are a 4-person group, which consists of Azan Babar as our full-stack developer, Muhammad Hussein Ilhamshah, myself, as our project lead and HTML specialist, Clara Annabel Wijaya as our CSS and design engineer, and last but not least, Abdullah Asgar as our JavaScript specialist. Starting on the homepage, users are greeted with a clean layout and a prominent hero section, highlighting a featured medical product. Below that, products are organized into clear categories such as PPEs, devices, personal care, and first aids. This structured layout helps reduce search time and improves usability. The navigation bar also remains consistent across all pages, giving users quick access to the shop, cart, contact, and about sections.
The shop page showcases the full product catalog using a responsive grid layout. Instead of hard-coding products into HTML, all items are generated dynamically using JavaScript from a centralized product data array. Each product card displays an image, name, price, and Add to Cart button. This approach makes the website easier to maintain and allows updates to product data from a single source. The layout automatically adjusts to different screen sizes using CSS Grid and Flexbox, ensuring a consistent experience across desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. One of the core features of Smart is the shopping cart system. When a user adds a product to the cart, JavaScript stores the cart data using the browser's local storage API. This allows cart items to persist across page changes and even browser refreshes. Users can return to the site later and still find their selected items safe, which closely simulates real e-commerce behavior without a backend. The cart page dynamically renders all selected products, updates quantities, and recalculates totals in real item. If we want to see the picture deeper, we can click the eye icon in the top right. We can choose the color, size, and quantity according to what we want to buy. Then, we can go directly to the cart section. We can immediately see the items we have bought, the price update based on how many items are purchased. Then, we can choose a payment method such as Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, and Apple Pay. Then, we can directly check out the item. If we want to delete the item, we can press remove and the item will be automatically removed.
The contact page includes a form that allows users to submit inquiries. Instead of relying only on basic HTML validation, we implemented custom JavaScript validations using regular expressions. This ensures that inputs such as email addresses and phone numbers follow correct formats. Feedback is displayed using styled messages directly on the page rather than default browser alerts, keeping the experience consistent with the site's visual design. Next up, the team page. The team page introduces the developers behind PhytoSmart. It provides transparency and credibility while keeping the focus on the main shopping experience. This page is accessible through a drop-down menu to avoid cluttering the main navigation bar. This uses a hyperlink tag leading to each individual developer's general information.
PhytoSmart was built entirely using HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript, without external libraries or frameworks. HTML provides semantic structure and accessibility. CSS handles layout and responsiveness through grid and flexbox, and JavaScript manages dynamic content, form validation, and cart logic. Lastly, this website is also hosted using Netflix app platform. In conclusion, PhytoSmart successfully meets the objectives and rubrics of our Web Fundamentals course by demonstrating how core web technologies can be combined to create a functional, responsive, and user-focused e-commerce website. The project allowed us to apply theoretical concepts in a practical setting while working collaboratively as a team. Overall, PhytoSmart represents a strong foundation for future enhancements such as backend integration and real payment processing. The website's link is available down in the description below. Feel free to check it out. This was our group's project. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.